Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best motorcycle dashcams that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Vsysto Dashcam AD170. This practical piece of innovation will help you to get your well-deserved insurance money without any hassle. The product has a dashcam that supports audio recording as well. Although, if you would prefer a noiseless recording, it offers you the option of muting as well. Moreover, the car charger, as well as the charging cable, are all available with the product. The camera has a good quality f2.0 aperture too. The dashcam has a superior quality 6-layer of durable lens protection. This keeps the lens protected as well as provides those crystal clear recordings. Moving on at number 4, we have Vsysto motorcycle dashcam. This product comes packed with a lot of attractive features which makes it a sure winner among many. Managing the camera and the recording becomes much easier and simpler through Wi-Fi. You can review and share through the wireless connection through your phone easily and anytime. Besides, the camera has a good aperture as well. It supports a large f1.8 aperture for those clear recordings. Since the camera is directly charged by the motorcycle engine, you do not need to worry about the battery anymore either. At number 3, we have HaloCam motorcycle dashcam. This dashcam is particularly suited for the motorcycle, catering to all their practical requirements. It features the loop recording function. This function makes sure you do not miss out on any new recording due to storage issues. Next, you can use this cam to share real-time reviews on your phone immediately. In order to capture all the clips meticulously, the lens has not been forgotten. They have been made dustproof to maintain clarity. However, it has the capability of being controlled through Wi-Fi and even its own personal app. It records at a quality of 1080p, as a result, all the views will be crisp and clear. Above all, the f1.8 large aperture is well equipped to trap 30% more light, therefore, the night vision will be clear. At number 2, we have Cansonic UltraDash dashcam. It is very unfair when you are blamed for an accident which is not even your fault. With this dashcam, you can avoid all that hassle. This camera has an exceptional resolution of 1080p, providing you videos with absolute clarity. Moreover, this has a loop recording feature. You will obviously not need every file from every single day. Thus, the old files are automatically deleted in order to make space for the new ones. The dashcam has a very high and low temperature resistance from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, it will provide you with your videos even on those chilly nights or burning days. And finally at number 1. Akceyo motorcycle dash camera. The product has an advanced supercapacitor. Therefore, it will help to maintain proper stability in a given instance. Because of the WDR processing, the dashcam will make efforts to capture as much of the light as possible. In fact, you get the benefit of a GPS system that you can further connect to the riding mode. It is due to this mode that you can see speed, location and time in the display screen. Plus, it is also energy saving. However, it will keep recording throughout the ride in the background. Moreover, all the tools required for installing the camera come along with the product itself. Besides, it has a wide capturing radius of 120 degrees. As a result, a lot can successfully fit in the frame. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.